Well, hello, welcome to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thanks for tuning in. Today I wanted to go over just a little bit about my fragrances that I love. I have my go-to, must-have every day, and then I have my special occasions. So stay tuned. First, I'll start off with my favorite, and I hope you can see it's just about empty. This is Viktor and Rolf Flowerbomb. It is the most decadent scent. And I kid you not, whenever I'm at the airport and there's a duty-free international, if they have this, I use it. I love it. Viktor and Rolf Flowerbomb. I suggest every girl should have it. My new love is now Marc Jacobs Decadence. This here, first of all, the packaging is completely out of this world. I'm keeping this even long after it's empty. This is a divine fragrance. It's sultry. I love it. It makes you feel like a sexy woman for sure. And during the summer, I noticed, wow, okay, they came out with something I guess more for spring. Very light. I wear this just about every day when I'm not wearing Flowerbomb. Another one that's one of my go-to is Dolce Gabanna one. I have all the Dolce Gabbana, but this one here is an everyday. It's light, it's airy, it has just the perfect scent for everyday wear. When I want to be a little bit naughty or nice, I go with this fierce smell of Angel. Angel stops them in their tracks. I kid you not. This here I've had for quite some time now, and I savor it because I really don't want to run out, because it's a little bit hard to find where I am right now. And I love this in the evening. It's simply fabulous. Next, I'll go to Burberry. Burberry, I love. This is a mild scent. You could wear it every day. It's just an everyday fragrance. I love the packaging as well. They do things well. I must say, I love this Burberry, but this one here takes the cake. I get so many compliments when I wear this. This is Burberry Brit. This is the perfume. I actually got this when I was in Los Angeles, and I usually go there to buy all my fragrances. I just love the Indian people that sell the fragrances there. I have a guy that I go to always. Love it, love it, love it. And for everyday kind of sporting, going out where when you're having a sporting event, or even leaving the gym. I sometimes put this in my gym bag. It's Banana Republic W. And the scent, oh, I've been wearing this probably 20 years. As long as when they started selling it, I bought it. I love it. Another everyday sports kind of active wear, also street wear, I would say Dolce Gabbana Light Blue. The light blue, it's a mixture of florals. It's literally divine. I love this fragrance. When I want to be chic, and I'm usually going to work, I have to dress up generally for work, kind of the business corporate look. I do use Donna Karan Cashmere. Oh, love, love, love this. And I love the after effect. I just spray a little bit on. I don't want to be overbearing in public. But this is just enough, just a hint of it. People go crazy. They love it. When I want to be kind of sexy and provocative, Jean Paul Gaultier, he says it all in the bottle. It's gorgeous. I've been using this now probably 25 years, as long as it's been out. I don't even know, but for a long time. Love, love, love it. I've had this for quite a while also. I started using Caroline Herrera several years ago, and sorry about that. Started using Carolina Herrera several years ago, and this is just a beautiful scent for the day. It's not overbearing. I love it. It offers a lot of nice. It offers a lot of nice smells. Sorry about that. And then I have this is Diesel. Diesel is a fun fragrance. If you're going out and you're having a good time hanging out with some friends, I totally recommend it. I've been using this for about 10 years now, I think. And then some of my special scents is Miss Dior. Miss Dior, I find it to be a fragrance that I want when I'm I'm feeling a little sad or something and I need something to just kind of pick me up, this perfume is divine. I love it. And I love the packages. It's so ladylike. It's really beautiful. I love it. And sticking with Dior, I love J'adore. I love their commercials, but also the fragrance is, I mean, right on point. Love, love, love it. I say that a lot, but these are my must-have favorites. When I'm running low, I go out and buy it. That's why I need to make a trip to LA to pick up my Flowerbomb soon. And last, but definitely not least, is Michael Kors. Michael Kors is a fragrance you can wear every day. And if you're going to a special event, it's also perfect for evening, daytime. It's an all-around fragrance. So I hope you enjoyed my must-haves in fragrance. I'll keep you posted. I think I'm going to LA soon, so I'll be able to pick some up. But in the meantime, please keep watching. And if you like what you see, please do a like for me and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And I appreciate all your support. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.